In the pharmaceutical industry, your field force is your most powerful asset. But without real-time data, they are flying blind. Are you struggling with delayed order bookings? Are your managers guessing where the team is right now? In a world of digital transformation, guessing is a risk you can no longer afford. Introducing AVEEROS Field Force, the intelligent mobile engine purpose-built for the pharma sector. This isn't just a tracking app, it's a comprehensive management ecosystem. We've designed it to turn field movement into actionable intelligence, bridging the gap between your sales reps, your customers, and your bottom line. Empower your team to work smarter, not harder. With the AVEEROS mobile app, your reps can plan cyclic activities with precision. Even in areas with zero connectivity, our offline work mode ensures they can book orders and log interactions without interruption. From tracking product samples and giveaways to accessing a complete customer database remotely, your team has everything they need to close the sale right in their pocket. While your team is in the field, you are in total control. The AVEEROS Management Portal is your strategic cockpit. Monitor live geolocations, analyze team productivity, and detect working anomalies before they become problems. Our advanced reporting suite doesn't just show you what happened, it helps you formulate the right policies and optimize your entire sales mechanism for the future. Built on a secure, API-first cloud architecture, AVEEROS integrates seamlessly with your existing ERP. We don't ask you to hire tech heavyweights, we collaborate with you to train your existing team. It's enterprise power at a price that makes sense for your business. Stop reacting. Start leading. Visit AVEEROS.com today and book your 30-minute diagnostic demo. AVEEROS technology for your business.